Hello everyone. So let's start with the current affairs of 2nd of May 2020. First question. Name the Indian state which has launched telemedicine facility at the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. If someone knows the headquarters of this, the answer is understood. So it is located in Shillong, Meghalaya. It is located in Shillong, Meghalaya. So your answer is Shillong, Meghalaya. Now, who's the CM of Meghalaya? It is Conrad Sharma. It's Conrad Sharma, and governor is R.N. Ravi. Okay. So let's go to next question. Name the bank which has launched Vikas Abhyas scheme to provide relief to MSME borrowers. So has been launched by Karnataka Gramin Bank. Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. It is headquartered in Karnataka. Also, one more thing here is outdated now, that is Syndicate Bank. Now, this has been taken over by Canara Bank. So, the sponsor bank for this is Canara Bank. So, the answer is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador or representative of India to United Nations. So, the answer is T.S. Tirumurti. He is Tirumurti. Okay, let's go to next question. Which order has been conferred to the Manipuri doctor? Remember his name also? Thangyam Dabali Singh, with the Order of Rising Sun, Gold and Silver Rays. So he is Mr. Thangyam Dabali Singh, and he will be conferred with this. So this is conferred by Japan. Remember this order. This is the second order, and the first order is order of chrysanthemum. What is India's rank in solar market among the world? So you should know that according to Mercom's India's rank is third. Mercom's India in 2019, India has total established 7.5 gigawatt of solar power, and because of this, it has become the third largest solar market among the world. Also, one should remember which is the largest solar plant in India. So, largest solar plant in India is Kamuthi Solar Power Plant. Kamuthi Solar Power. Where it is located? It is located in Tamil Nadu. Being developed by Adani Enterprises. And the capacity of this is 648 megawatt. Okay. Now, next question is, name the country which topped the list in budget transparency and accountability as per 17th edition of Open Budget Survey 2019 conducted by IBP. International budget. The answer to this is it has been topped by New Zealand. Okay, and where is IBP headquartered? Headquartered at Washington DC. It is headquartered at Washington DC. One more thing, what is India's rank here? So India's rank is 53. Okay, next question. Manulife Investment Management Private Limited has acquired 49% stake in which of the following companies? So it is which company? It is Mahindra Asset Management Company, headquartered at Mumbai. Let's go to next question. Name the company which increases has stake to 26.31% in Skytran company, which is a US-based technology company. So who has done this? It has been done by Reliance Strategic Business Investment Company. It is again headquartered at Mumbai and under Reliance Industries Limited. Now name the first company to get nod from DCGI. What is DCGI? So DCGI stands for what? So DCGI stands for Drug Controller and General of India. So Drug Controller General of India. So it has given nod to conduct clinical trials of tablets which name is Favipiravir antiviral tablets on mild to moderate COVID patients. So which company has got the nod? It is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. So it is Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Now where is headquarter of DGCI? So one should know this. The headquarter of DGCI is New Delhi. Okay. How many names of upcoming tropical cyclones over the northern Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea was released by IMD? One should also know who is IMD Chief General. His name is Mrutyunjay Mohapatra. His team suggested how many tropical cyclones? The answer is 169 tropical cyclones. Where is the headquarter of this? One should know this also. This is in New Delhi. Yes. What is the name of robot which was developed by CSIR CIMERI to help the frontline health workers in maintaining physical distance from COVID-19 infected people? Now also remember, how many CSIR are there? There are 41 labs and 80 field centers. And CIMERI stands for, this is Center for Mechanical Engineering Research, and this stands for Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Council Scientific and Industrial. Now, where has it been developed? It has been developed in CSIR lab. It is named as H-Card. Okay, let's go to next question. Name the organization which has launched the We Will Win campaign. So We Will Win campaign has been launched by FIFA. It has been launched by FIFA. Also remember, FIFA World Cup 2022 will be taking place in Qatar. Next question. Name the biography written from experiences. Now, so he is John Bolton and this is its book's name. Okay, let's go to next question. Hema Bharali, who passed away in April 2020, is a what? So she is a freedom fighter. She is a freedom fighter, and also remember that she was a recipient of Padma Shri 2015. Okay, where is she from? She is from Assam. Let's go to the next question. Rudra Tej Singh, who passed away recently, is the CEO of. So he was the CEO of which company? He was the CEO of BMW India. He was the CEO of BMW India. He was the CEO of BMW India. Let's go to next question. Jan Aushadhi Sugam is a mobile application developed by. So it is developed by BPPI, that is Bureau of Pharma Pieces of India. Now let's go to next question. Petersburg Dialogue is associated with which field? So it is associated with climate action. So Petersburg Dialogue is associated with climate action. And who has attended it? It was Minister of Environment, Forest, Climate, who is Prakash Javadekar. So, thank you so much for listening to this video, and please subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you.